Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss another problem, but before going forward, if you have not liked the video, please like it, subscribe to my channel so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So without any further ado, let's get started. So problem is detect capital. In this problem, we define the usage of capitals in a word to be right when one of the following cases hold. All letters in the words are capital, like all letters are capital. All letters are small and only the first letter is capital. So all these cases are true, right? Given a word, you have to return true if the usage of capitals is right, like if it matches any of these. Otherwise, if it does not matches, then we have to return false. For example, over here what we have? We have USA, all letters are capital. So it's matching this one. It's matching this case. All capital letters, hence we'll return true. Now if we see this one, over here what is there? First letter is capital, which is matching with this one. So according to this, then all the letters should be small. But over here, G is again capital, so this is not matching any of these three. Hence we'll return false. Right, I hope you understood. Very easy problem. So let's see how we'll approach it. See, we have USA, and let's say we have all the examples which are given in the problem, lead code, and then it was Google. Right, G capital and rest small. So see, we have to make cases here, right? We have to make cases here. If you see, right, over here, two cases could be. One is that first letter is capital. That is first letter capital, right? And see, first letter capital, or second case could be second case could be first letter is small. Right? So these are the two cases which can be there. Now if you see further, over here if you see, second case, see, after this what could be? Either if first letter is capital, either then all the letters are capital or all the letters should be small. So after this, all the letters should be small or all the letters should be capital, right? If any of the letter over here, if they should be capital and if any of the letter comes out to be small, then we will return false because that's not valid, right? And if over here everything should be small, but if let's say some letter comes capital, like L is capital, then what we will do is that is not correct, so we will return false. We will return false here. Right? And how we will check that whether all the letters after the first letter should be capital or small? We will check the second letter. See, second letter is what? Second letter is capital, means all the other letters should be capital. Over here second letter is what? Small, so all the letters should be small. So this is one case, and if the first letter is small, if this is small, then all the letters should be after that small. So all the letters should be small, then it's true. If any of the letter becomes capital there, means it's not valid, return false. So these are your conditions. I hope you understood how we are checking. So what we are checking first, if the either capital letter should be there, the first letter, or it should be small. If it is small, all the letters should be small. First, if the first letter, see, this first letter is small, afterwards all should be small. If all are small, return true. If any of the letter becomes capital, return false. And if the first letter is capital, we will check the second letter. If the second letter is capital, means all others should be capital. So if say, let's say this A is small, so that will be wrong. And we'll return false. And if over here, if we see for this, we'll check second letter. This is small, hence everything should be small. So if this E becomes capital here, it will return false. Right, I hope you understood the approach. Let's see the code. So see, what we are doing is we have this capital function detect capital. It has this string word. What we are doing is, first of all, we are checking what we have to check. We have to check first letter, right? If first letter is capital or first letter is small. So is upper function we are using to check the first letter. Zeroth index letter we are checking. If it is capital, so this we will do. This thing we will do. Else, this is for the if the first letter is not capital. So if first letter is not capital, see, if the first letter is not capital, then everything should be small. So right, everything should be small. So we will run a loop on the string, and if any of the letter becomes capital, means that is not correct, because everything should be small, na? Everything should be small. Everything should be small. But if anything becomes if any letter is capital, just simply return false from there. Right, this was for the case when the first letter is capital, is small. Now we will see if the first letter is capital. Then what we have to do, we have to check for the second letter. We have to check for the second letter, na, whether it is capital or small. So we will check for the second letter. If the second letter, if this is the first index, means the second letter. If the second letter is capital, then everything after that should be capital. So if anything comes lower, that then return false. Else, over here, if the second letter is not capital, means this is the case. If second letter is not capital, so everything should be small afterwards. So if anything, if the anything comes capital, just return false. So I hope you understood this problem. And if everything is done correctly, then at last return true. So if we submit this, it's getting accepted. So it's accepted. And the time complexity for this is we are doing single traversal, so O of n, and space is O of 1, that is constant. We are not using any extra space. I hope you understood the approach and the code. If you found the video helpful, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.